What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Unfortunately, we're not going to be working on any of the cars today. I just wanted to quickly come out here and talk about the giveaway that we're doing on my Instagram right now. A few weeks ago, I did mention that you could win a poster and a hoodie, and it's not just any hoodie and any poster. It's going to be a special one-of-one CC Case X Ghost hoodie that we shot for the night run video, and it could be yours. Actually, technically, it's not one of one, it is one of three since I have one, CC Case has one, and you'll be having one. Along with the hoodie, you could also be winning a special poster. It won't be this poster exactly, but we'll probably let you choose, or you let us choose the photo. It will probably be from the night run video, so any photo that you like, you could get on a poster of the car, and it could be yours. And it's very simple to win. You really don't gotta do much. You just gotta follow me, follow CC Case, and tag 3 people in the comments of the Instagram post down in the link below, and you're entered. That's all you gotta do. Now, if you're subscribed to me here on YouTube, you also get a free little sticker with the giveaway package. I don't have a sticker on me, but we'll get some, and we'll get them over to you guys, whoever decides to take that. So I think you might be getting the last one. Actually, I only have one, and I think it's upstairs sitting in my office, so you might be getting the last of 100 stickers ever made of Ghost version 1. So this is Ghost version 2. You'll get the poster of Ghost version 2. This is version 1 right here, and then you'll also be getting the special hoodie. I definitely didn't want to leave my YouTube audience out of the loop, so definitely go to my Instagram down in the link below. Follow myself, follow CC Case, comment and tag 3 people, and get yourself entered because the hoodie got a lot of love and everybody loved the design. We should be jumping back into the E30 on the next week's video, so definitely stay tuned. Got a lot of exciting stuff coming for this car. We got all the interior sitting outside on the opposite side. Definitely gonna want to stay tuned. And again, thank y'all for watching. I know this is just a short little announcement video. It's not much going on, but bear with me. Got a lot of stuff going on right now. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.